Hey guys, so welcome back to another video. So this video is about Wen Exchange, which as they say is the #1 blast native NFT exchange. So I have added the link for you to join this airdrop, and you will need a invitation code or referral code in order to get this airdrop. So if you go through the link in the description, you will go to this page where you will have to connect your wallet and sign in. So you will have to use your MetaMask wallet, and you will also have to follow the Wen Exchange Twitter account or the X account, and you will also have to join their Discord account. So after doing all these three things, you will go to this screen, which is this early access screen. So they are rewarding you based on your activity on the blast ecosystem. If you have breached ethereum, the number of Wen tokens you are getting will be high, and the USD amount will also correlate to this amount of tokens you are getting, and the number of if you deposited on Blur, then you will get a price for that too. So in order to join, you will have to use referral codes, as I said. So I have added my referral code in the description. Plus you will also be getting 400 Wen free tokens for using a referral code. So this is my balance. As you can see, I haven't like deposited Blur and stuff, but I have seen most of the people who has deposited on Blur and deposited on the blast ecosystem or the testnet, they are eligible for a lot of Wen tokens. So you can access that. And I also wanted to say, like, this is the testnet, and you can see like it's something similar to Blur. All the blast NFTs will be coming through this website as far as I can see. So good luck with this airdrop, and do let me know how many Wen tokens did you get. Thank you.